Hi guys, good morning welcome to Mindify AI. My name is Martin, I'm founder and CEO of Mindify AI. And today I would like to give you a quick update on what we have been doing with this product Mindify Chat and what we could offer further and to this with our solution and also our latest pricing plan that you can consider later. So let's log in to the app. Let's go. So if you haven't signed in, you can sign out here. And once you log in, here's some of the update I'm going to give you. Here, so we have a version number over here, and also you can directly see whether you're a premium or free user on this page, and also your new repository indicator is available here. And so, okay, let's go into the account setting. So this is a new account setting page that we have so far. So this is updated, so you don't have to every time when you set out your repository, you don't have to create a new asset token again. So the account is for repository, assets for asset token, billing is for the pricing plan you can set out here, and we use Stripe to help you to pay for this product. And if you're interested, you can sign up for 3 days free trial, and we will charge after 3 days of trials complete. Yeah. If you have any questions related to billing, we can email us at support@mindifyai.dev. And also security, you can change your password over here. That's pretty much the update. And we have it also improved the performance. For example, here we actually use it. I just use this to improve the website for the company. So we have new pricing plan I can show you over here. So okay, for example, here we have new pricing plan. So far, a Mindify Chat alone is $10 per month for premium plan, and you can access to premium model and unlimited chat usage. And also in the future, we will provide you with image printing, so you can screenshot the page and you can ask AI with the code or with the context you want to ask. Okay, so that's pretty much the progress so far. And so, and in performance in terms of the response speeds, we're much faster. So for example, how to deploy this to the first cell. It's much faster than we used to have. Yeah, it's much faster. It's actually it's matched with speed and capability of ChatGPT, and even better because we have context-aware system that you can actually understand your project. Yeah, so that's pretty much the update we have so far for this app. And if you have any further question, you can contact us on website mindifyai.dev, and also can email us through the support email that we have so far here. So please let us know if you have any question, and we were glad to have your feedback. And also, if you want to, you don't want to write email, you can also write a feedback form over here. So we do provide feedback form. If you have any question or any suggestions on this product, feel free to let us know about that, and if we can have help us to improve this product so they can better serve your purpose. Yeah, thank you.